presenting the new MKI series. MK standing for Music Kit. And what's unusual and unique about the MKI series is, unlike our conventional car kits, which are hands-free phone only, these are an advanced hands-free phone system in that they have user-independent voice recognition as well as text-to-speech. So once you pair your phone with Bluetooth, your phone book automatically uploads, and you simply push the green button and it asks you, who would you like to call? And you just give them the name and it dials, because it's already got your phone book information. No voice tags are needed. You don't have to go through that whole manual system of creating voice tags and all that folderol. It'll hold 8,000 names of your closest friends. You know, so there's plenty of capacity, just your closest friends. But in addition to that, what's really cool is right down here, multiple music connectivity. Dedicated iPhone, iPod connector, USB for MP3, 3.5mm jack for analog, as well as streaming Bluetooth. And with the MKI 9200, this one, it also has an SD card slot in the display. In addition, they both have a wireless remote control. Great for the installer because it's one less wires around. Great for the consumer because now you have fingertip control either on your steering wheel or on the dashboard. You control your phone book, scroll through it, make calls, take calls, or manage and scroll through your playlist. Find your song you want, forward, reverse, scan through, etc. It's just a beautiful system. The 9200 retails for $299 plus installation. The 9100 retails for $249 plus installation. And both the displays are removable as an anti-theft measure.